In this video, I will show you step by step how you can remove the background noise from a video using CapCut just in few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so let's get started. So first, open your CapCut app like this, okay, in your laptop. If you are using laptop, you can open your CapCut and this will be your home page, okay? And what you need to do, you need to import the video to CapCut like this. Then click on the video that you want to remove the background noise, okay? So select the video and go over here. So you have this option here, you have video and you have audio, okay? Click over here on audio, scroll down and make sure to enable this one, enhance voice, okay? Enable this one. And scroll again down and enable this one over here to reduce noise, okay? Like this. And here you go, your background noise will be removed from your video, okay? So let's check this video now. Let's see.
My expertise spans all styles. Let my work speak for itself. I think everyone should rush to make 5 or 10,000 or 15,000 a month. Even 18-year-olds or 19-year-olds, that should be an aspirational thing. How many subscribers do you have? Subscribe.
And your background noise will be removed from your video in CapCut, guys. That's how you can remove the background noise from a video using CapCut for free. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video.